Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another hair tutorial. So today's video is featuring Alipearl hair. First off, let me say this. I love the texture of this hair. I love how the lace melted into my skin. Love all of that, the aspects. I love the hair, how the hair feels. I was going to pick curl it, but I was like, no, this is going to take too long. So I just regularly curled it, kind of finger waved or combed it out a little bit so it can have like this wave. I just curled the front. I don't know if y'all seen me do it, but I just curled the front, and this is how it looks. The curls fell, melt down, and how I plucked it and everything like that. If y'all want to know what I did, then keep on watching. This is the wig right here in the plastic bag. I just showed y'all everything that came inside of that box. Cap size medium. The hair density is 180%, and then this is a closure 5x5 wig, y'all, and I think it's 24 inches. Yeah. It got a smell to it, but I guess that's cool because I'm washing it anyway. Oh, wow. This is so bomb. Look at this wig, baby. Look at the curls. And it's so soft. This is the closure. This is how it looks. I'm actually about to bleach it, and I think I'm going to show y'all how I bleach it. So, yeah, this is how it looks. Doesn't match my skin at all. So, y'all know I'm going to put my lace in on there. And this part, since it's just a closure, it should be so easy to melt this into my skin. So yeah, let's get into it. You are getting a close up, like real close up. These have to go. Let me focus. So y'all see those knots, and look at it up against my skin. Not my color. Knots are black. The goal is to bleach these knots and to make this lace melt into my skin. The line definitely needs to be plucked. Show y'all the best way possible to do this. Okay, y'all see how the Gatsby freezes the hairs, so I just slick them back, so therefore I can get all these hairs that are black on this lace. Like, y'all is getting like a very up close personal detail video. Like, so I was looking for these, so I went ahead and got me some like the perfect consistency. Yeah. Just like that. So I bleached this front too. Come back within like 20 minutes because I really want to see through like bleach. Like I said, some of the hairs might be blonde, but once I get to pluck it, it shouldn't be that blonde. And then after that, all my knots should be bleached. I parted it down the middle, and then I'm gonna part each section. So I'm going to take the baby hairs out first. I wish I knew how to do baby hairs one day. Right behind the hairline, some of it is still black. You see little black dots in there. I don't know if y'all can see it, but don't stay in one spot. I like to pull it back and then pluck. So I like to do it. A little bit. Take your hands off. Just a little bit. So that's how it should be when it's plucked. I haven't plucked the front yet. The baby hairs. So I'm gonna pluck. Baby This wax stick, it might be still a little wet, but up here it dry fast. You know, it's like blow dry before. So part it towards the back to cover the tracks, and then split it down the middle. Just like that. Party of the wig. I come on the stove, that's why I have to come upstairs. I don't feel like traveling back and down. I mean, going back and forth upstairs and come down. But the hot comb was, oh, it's so bomb. The best ones. Once you plug in, I don't. Y'all, that's it. I'm about to curl it. I think I did good on this one too. This is how the wig looks, y'all. I am obsessed with it. I did go ahead and put some layers in it. Okay, so this is how it came out. You see it? Damn. Can't see that shit. It look good. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to go check out Alipearl hair in the description bar below. All the links and stuff will be down there. It's like really soft, really bouncy, and I washed it, so it felt the same way it did when it came to me as well. I wanted to let y'all know that. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.